And I'm just using a normal piece of origami paper. But if you don't have an origami paper, I can show you how to make a paper. So if you just have a paper like this, you first take the top and then you fold it like that, like I showed you in my other video. And then there has to be some here. Have to cut off the rectangle part. You won't be needing that. And when you open this, it is a square. But I don't really need this because I was just showing you an example. And so now we can start our origami paper. So first you put it on your table. Oh, but this is what it's gonna look like. Little fishies. They're very, very easy. So first, you get the top. You fold it to the bottom, like how to make the square, but there shouldn't be any stuff down below. Like this, there's a line like that. So you should do the same with the other side, like the opposite direction. You're not done with this part yet. You should get the top and then you fold it to the bottom like that. And then remember, if you can't catch up, just hit the pause button. And then this time, you, like this, you should do it like that, up and down, you know. Now, you open it. You got something like a star pattern. You go like that. I'll give you a few minutes. 3, 2, 1. Okay. This time, you get this square. You go like that. You do it again, but with the other side. Like there has to be something hanging out like that. You can't glue it. And then you get this part, like I showed you in my crown, a bit like it. My crown video. It has to be meeting on the other side, like over here. Boo. This part is having a trouble. There you go. Like that. And then you do the same with the other side behind. Whoa, this is not even letting me do it. It should be like that at the end. Both sides should be even like that. There has to be something down below like that over here, like a bow or a little knit like that. And then this time, that's going to be the body of the fish, like this. And then the tail part, and then this part has to go in the middle like that. The same with the other side. This time, you do it again like that. Fold it backwards and fold that one backwards as well. It should be having some lines at the end. After, you have to fold it evenly like that, and then you this one has to go across like that. Has to be pointy here, not too pointy. And there you go, your fish. You can have some friends now. Okay, so we get a marker or a pen, anything. It should be looking it doesn't have to be looking like this, a texture. I'm just using a texture so it can be seen. you can draw some eyes. You don't have to copy me if you don't want to. You can copy me if you want. I can show you how I draw my eyes. So first you do one big curve like an upside down U, like over here. You do another upside perfect U down below. This time you do like a big bubble shape, and then you do another one. This time, if you want it to be looking there, you do a bubble on this side. But if you want it to be looking like backwards, you do on this side. So you color in that big thing there. It looks like it's peeking at you. Beep. And some eyebrows, and then I'm gonna do some gills so it can breathe. There you go. Before I'm done with this video, I can show you all the origamis we made over here. And these are all the origamis we made past this video. So this is the fish we just made. This is the heart. This is the cute little puppy. And this is the crown, the first one I made. And please do check our other videos if you can. And thank you for watching this video. And all these origamis are really, really easy. And